Mummy! Good morning, everybody. That is not the best angle, but hi. I have just dropped my 6-year-old off at school, and today is a home day for my 2-year-old. He doesn't have preschool nursery today, so it's just us. Yeah, the time is 8:52, so it is still pretty early in the morning. We don't really have much of an agenda today. There's a couple of sort of life admin things that I need to get done. I thought the first thing I would do is take my little man to soft play. We're going to a really tiny little soft play in our local sports centre, which is good for toddlers because it's like tiny and a bit rubbish, but he doesn't care. First stop soft play, and then a few errands, and then back home, and I'll just show you what a normal day at home with me and Coop looks like. Apologies if it looks like I've been beaten up. I had a tiny bit of top-up filler put in my lips 2 days ago, so they are still like swollen and bruised. Should we go play? Go play. So, as I mentioned, the first thing that we did is pop to our local soft play. I knew that once we got home, there was a lot of jobs and house things that I wanted to do, so I wanted to make sure that he'd had a nice, fun outing to start the day. I also needed to get a few things from town and go to the bank. Of course, we ended up in the toy shop, and he left with a squidgy banana. He is obsessed with fruit, so this was like the perfect find for him. Once all the errands had been run in town and I'd got all the bits and pieces that I needed to get, we could head back home, unpack and put away all the things that I had got, and start our day at home. I'm just going to set Cooper up with his current favourite, which is Yakadee, while I decide what my agenda is for this morning and make a little plan on what I want to do. I'm also going to make myself I mean it's ready made, but I'm going to have a smoothie. I'm trying to have one of these a day, just up my goodness, as I've been feeling so poorly lately. And I'm just going to sit with Coops for a moment and drink my smoothie before I get started on my chores for the day. One flower, good boy. So first things first, if you want to get anything done with a toddler, set them up with an activity. I'm going to set him up with this little play shop book that is one of his favourite things to do at the moment, so he is super busy and I can get started. I'm going to go into the kitchen, I'm going to sort everything out and put things in the dishwasher. Now the sides are clear, I can spray them down and wipe them down, and I'm just really quickly going to go over the kitchen.
What's wrong?
Literally 2 minutes later and he is bored already because he is 2. He's asking to play with his Playmobil little house that he got for Christmas. So I'm going to pop that on the floor and set him up to play with that. But actually he ended up going upstairs and asking to play upstairs. So I thought to myself, right, change of plan. I'm going to do some jobs upstairs, seeing as Cooper wants to be up here anyway. So I went in the cleaning cupboard, got myself a cleaning spray and wiped down the toilets. Forgot to wear gloves though, so I will have to doubly wash my hands after this. I did our toilet here in our ensuite and I did the boys' toilet as well. Managed to do it super quickly. Obviously you are on a bit of a clock when you have got the toddler with you. And all that time he was super happy in his room, playing with his toys, chatting to me, shouting to me, telling me what he's doing. I'm going to go in his room next. I'm going to make his bed and tidy up his bedroom a little bit. Then I want to grab the upstairs vacuum and start doing the carpets, but he obviously wanted me to come and do something for him. This had broken off his car garage, so he wanted me to fix it. Now that he's happy playing with that, I can get on vacuuming all of the carpets upstairs. If you're wondering why I'm holding a giant Peppa Pig, he gave it to me and told me to hold it while I was vacuuming, and I'm doing as I'm told. And again, 2 minutes later, he's come to me because something has broken that he wants me to fix. It's his brother's, so he looked a bit worried that it might be broken, but actually it is fine. I managed to fix it, much to Cooper's relief.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Into his big brother's room now, which he loves when he goes at school. He loves to come in here and have a good root around in his drawers, and I will vacuum the carpets in here as well. While he's super busy in his brother's room, I'm going to quickly sprint downstairs, grab the laundry basket, and I'm going to fill up the laundry basket ready to do a load of laundry. I'm going to go in Cooper's room, get the dirty washing out of there, and then I'll go in his brother's room and get his dirty washing as well to make up a full load. Maybe I should have called this cleaning with a toddler and a cat, because she has literally been following us around everywhere.
You coming downstairs?
Yeah.
Downstairs?
Yeah. Yeah.
As you just saw, we have now come back downstairs. I'm going to set Cooper up playing with his little doll's house, make sure he is happy. Actually, he ended up asking to do colouring, so I'm just going to pop him on his drawing table with some paper and some pens while I just quickly put that load in the washing machine. So I've managed to do a handful of cleaning and housework jobs while having a 2-year-old in tow. I'm going to reward myself and Cooper by getting out some Peppa Pig colouring for us to sit and do together, as I've been a little bit absent this morning, obviously focusing on other things. So I'm going to make sure I sit with him for a good while and sit and do some colouring and have a little chat together. Soon after that, it was Cooper's lunchtime, so I'm going to make him a little bit of lunch for him to have before he goes down for his afternoon nap. Not the most exciting lunch today, but he is having little Philadelphia sandwiches. He loves them cut up into tiny little mouth-sized bites like this. And I'm going to give him some strawberries and some mini cheddars as well. And then one of these little French cakes that the boys really like that I got from Costco. I'll pop one of those on there as well. Sit him at the table. I'm going to let him have his iPad because his brother isn't here to sit and eat with. And he will sit there and eat all his lunch. He's pretty good at eating his lunch, to be honest. Most of that will be gone, if not all of it. While he's eating that, I will just wipe down the mess that I have just made making his lunch. So fast forward a little bit and he is now upstairs sleeping. I'm going to make myself something to eat. Guys, don't come to me for lunch ideas, okay? I am having hot cross buns for my lunch today. I was just really hungry and just wanted something super quick and easy, and these looked so tempting. So this is my naughty little lunch. Guys, I hope you enjoyed a very realistic morning with me and my 2-year-old. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.